Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Prichard local and long-distance movers near me. When you're ready to hire a cheap Prichard moving company, you need to hire 3 Movers. Our company is always available on very short notice, and we work to ensure that we offer guaranteed moving services. Professional movers we provide have undergone in-house training programs to conduct the moving process efficiently. When you hire our services, you will have a team of relocation experts at your disposal. Some of our moving services include the following: packing services. We offer comprehensive residential and commercial packing and unpacking services for all our clients. Moving materials. We provide all our clients the needed moving supplies to help protect all your things. An on-time move. Our movers show up fast and get you to where you need to go quickly without any delay. Upfront pricing. We offer free price quotes before the moving process. It ensures transparency and helps you be prepared for the moving costs. Licensed and insured. With us, you get trustworthy movers you can use to keep your things protected. Our team offers the best long-distance moving services that meet your needs. Whether you plan to move your business or family across the boundaries, we are your reliable moving partner. We are dedicated to ensuring a very smooth and hassle-free moving process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Prichard moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.